Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your profile avatar on DuoLingo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the DuoLingo app and tap on your profile icon from the middle of the bottom menu. On your profile page, tap the pen icon beside your profile image. If you don't currently have a profile image, it will be an empty circle. You can choose one of the photos on your device or take a new one. When you tap an image, you will be able to crop it to a better size if needed. Tap Choose to save your new profile picture. It will take a few seconds to upload, and then your new DuoLingo profile avatar will be updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more DuoLingo tips and tricks.